vertical years passing animation like Iman Gadzhi in Premiere Pro. With the Type tool, click in the preview, type some years, and press the Enter key after each year. Now with the Selection tool, open up Essential Graphics panel and click on this button to align the years to the center. Also, adjust the position of the text until the first year is positioned where you want to show the years. Right-click on the text layer and select Nest. In the Effects panel, search for Transform and drag it into the nested sequence. Select the nested sequence, and move the playhead to the start of it. Click on the rectangle mask under Opacity, drag the mask above the first year, also set Mask Feather to 40, and adjust the size of the mask. Now under Transform, click on Stopwatch next to Position to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and increase position second value until the last year is visible on the screen to create the second keyframe. To smoothen the animation, select both keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease in and ease out to them. To add motion blur to the animation, uncheck the Use Composition's shutter angle and set shutter angle to 180. To change the speed of animation, just change the distance between keyframes. To add more curves to the animation, expand position and drag these two handles a little. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.